To create a new project for digital publishing, you need to open the AVE Project Manager panel. It's located in the menu under AVE Publishing, AVE Project Manager. The AVE Project Manager is where you store and manage all of your digital publications. Simply enter your email address to choose Work Offline. You'll need this panel quite often, so you may want to take a minute and find a spot for the panel in your workspace. This panel does take up quite a bit of screen real estate. I'd recommend double-clicking the top gray title bar to reduce this panel into a button. Then position your cursor over the right edge of the panel button to reduce the panel into only a single button icon. You can dock this panel next to your toolbar by clicking and dragging the two light gray dotted lines and dragging it next to your toolbar. When you see the toolbar highlighted blue, you can let go. Now, every time you need to use the Project Manager panel, you can click on the icon to reveal it and click on the icon again to put it away. I also recommend doing the same thing for the interactivity panel. Now that we have the Project Manager panel open, we can create a new project. Click on the plus sign in the bottom left of the panel to make a new project. In the New Project window, give your project a name. You can choose whether it's an AVE Mag or it's an AVE PDF. The difference between the two is the interactivity that is supported. Just leave it set to AVE Mag. We'll also leave horizontal and vertical checked so that both orientations will be made for the iPad. The default device is Apple iPad. You can also add custom device sizes as you need. Choose OK at the bottom when you are done. You will now see the project name on the left. To the right of the project name is the project structure. If you click on the plus sign next to the word New, a new article will be generated for you in the correct size that you established in the last window. Because we chose iPad, this document is 1024 by 768. As soon as you create a new article, you are prompted to name it and save it. Create a folder to store your project. One of the new features inside version 2 of the AVE publishing platform is that you can now save your articles inside any directory on your computer. This enables multiple users to work on documents within a project. You can also logically name your documents. For instance, I will name this document Cover. Click Save when you're done naming the article. You'll notice that the new article has been created in the Project Manager panel. That article also opened in InDesign. Draw a frame on the document. When you make changes to the document, then save it and close it, it is stored with the rest of your documents in the folder you chose for the project. You can double-click the article in the Project Manager panel to open it again. If you have documents that were already built for print, you can also import them into your project. You'll want to first place them in the project folder you made so that all of your documents are stored in a central folder location. In the Project Manager panel, I'll click on the Import button and navigate to the document I want to upload. Now I'll select that document and choose Open. Instead of loading each document manually, you can also choose to synchronize the project by clicking on the Synchronize Project icon. This will automatically generate new pages in the Project Manager panel based on the InDesign documents you have there. Clicking on the Synchronize Project button lets you select the project folder where your InDesign documents are stored. If you add pages to the folder, you can import them into your project by selecting them and clicking Apply.